Welcome to EpiJournal. Today I'm going over the duplicated function. Now the duplicated function is pretty useful. It's a base R package, so it's already installed in when you download R originally. Let's have a look at some duplicated data. I'll show you how it works. Right, so here's the duplicated data. In the ID column, we've got three sets of ones here. Variable 1, we've got another three sets of A's. And variable 2, we've got two sets of A's and one B. Okay. Now I'm going to do three sets of duplication in this. So let's first of all, because duplicated data is rather large, I'm going to call it df instead. Duplicated data. So that's easier. So we can just follow it a little bit easier. Okay, so data frame. I'm going to do dup1. Now, duplicated. So in the duplicated function, I'm going to have df, and I'm going to be using the square brackets here. And I'm going to be stating if anything's duplicated over the first two columns. So I can do 1 to 2. All right. And it is quite literally as simple as that. So let's have a look at data frame. Now we can go and see here. So based on the first two columns here, we've got a false, a true, and a true. All right. Now this isn't quite right because you can obviously see that the first one is obviously a duplicate. What the duplicated function does is it's essentially stating ignore the first duplicate, because if you're going to be filtering on this, we kind of want to go and keep at least one variable within it. But what if you want to go and identify all the duplicates, to go and have a count of how many duplicates you've got in a document or in a data frame even? That's rather easy. All you have to do here is let's just do dup2. Just put in an or. And just copy and paste that over, and we put from last equals true. Boop. And let's have a look at duplicated again. Now this is stating that all three are duplicates. Actually, every single value within this test data frame is a duplicate. Right then, what if we're wanting to go and see if there are other duplicates? Because if we're looking at the first three here, the first two are full duplicates. However, the third one here, this is not a duplicate. We're not going to be finding any other variable within this. Any other row that's going to be matching this. So all we need to do for that is let's do a dup3. Just increase the increments between the first column to the third column, and we're going to say whether it's a duplicate or not without like that categorically, right? And in that we've got actually this one is entirely not a duplicate. Out of this entire data frame, that one row is the only one that actually doesn't have a duplicate. Okay, so that's just a quick overview on using the duplicated function from base R. Over and out.